Camera.
Head camera.
No, high camera.
Sabi mo, high camera. Hi, Tim. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Because...
Tanda.
Love you, Tin. Because you're so generous and awesome. Love you, Tin. Happy birthday.
Pati nga ano kamay mo. Yan. Magandang kamay. Ano bang mga sitwasyon natin?
Everything I love you because you know you're the best friend in the world. There.
Ano kailangan mo?
And when you get home, you're very nice food. You know, you're good. You're okay. I can tell.
Happy birthday. I love you because you're my cousin. Bound by blood.
Amen.
Oh, why do you love Ate Tim?
Because he is awesome. He's beautiful. And then he's
Nakakabati mo pala sa akin.
Ito ho.
Meron tayo diyan. Nababihan tayo tayo. Bigyan tayo diyan na.
One reason why you love Ate.
Ganun sa akin dyan bakit ka mahal ka. Sabi ko lahat ng apo ko ay mahal ka pare-pareho ang magkamahal.
Babay na kayo na.
Sabi ko natin ang pinabayan.
Gotta move like
Happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Love mo. Ingat.
I love you because...
I love you. I love you because na-post ka sa I love you because... Yeah, I love you because you're nice.
Generic.
Generic. Tsaka I love you because papadala mo. Pag napadala mo yun, I love you more. Happy birthday. Alam mo na yun, bakit?
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tin. Ina, pwede na yan.
Hi, Mare. Kamusta? Happy birthday. Mare, ano ba? Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. Umuwi ka na. Shop na tayo. Hindi ako makagawa ng video. Nasa OR ako. Anyway, I love you so much kasi it's, ewan ko, basta all about you. Pagiging hikay mo, pagiging lagi kang nandyan. Minsan kahit hindi tayo sobrang nag-uusap, okay na okay pa rin tayo. Ingat ka lagi, Mare. I love you so much. And I hope to see you very, very soon. I miss you. I love you. And happy birthday!
Chuba! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best, good health, and a very, very successful career. Yun, alam mo naman na love kita, and ito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Mwah! Love you!
You ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea? I'll sail the world to find you.
birthday, Ganday! Dapat nandito ka. Hindi lang tayo kikita. Miss na kita. Uwi ka na dito. Miss ka na namin. Uwi ka na. Taga na tayo. Uwi ka na. Happy birthday. Say ka lang dyan. Hintayin mo ako dyan. Pupunta kita. Dadaan kita. Okay? Happy birthday! I love you! Love you, guys!
Happy birthday, Ate Tin!
Huwag mo ipakit po, bawal po.
I love you because nilagay kita kayo ni birthday. Bye! I love you!
Happy birthday. I love you because first, you're generous. Second, because I know you love me kahit nung bata pa tayo, para tayong aso't pusa kung mag-away. And that's all. Happy birthday, Ate Tin. Love you. Bye-bye.
Tapi gusto. Parang hindi na. Okay.
Game.
Hello, Tin. Happy birthday. Many more to come. I love you because, syempre, you're my first child. Marami tayong napagdaanan na magaganda. And of course, masyado akong responsable. Responsableng anak. Tulad ni Jed at saka ni Kaya. So, happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday!
Oh.
Ano na sabihin ko? Anak, happy birthday. Alam mo, sabi ni Jed, bakit kita mahal? Ikaw lang nakakaintindi sa atin lahat.
Pagidoy.
Wala lang imaw!
Love you, anak.
Ayun na, kita ko ano ha.
O, yung pangalawa.
Pangalawa. Kasi nagmana na ako sa iyo sa kagandahan. Love you, anak. Ingat ikaw, ha?
Cut!
Not over you. Damn girl, you're doing well. And I thought you were innocent. You took this.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Yes, me.
You're so beautiful, Jinden! Bye!
Kilala mo ba yan?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, sabihin nyo na yung mga kailangan nyo, tita. Bye-bye.
Oh, wait! Oh!
Huwag kang lumapit.
Hindi, dapat siya na makinig.
Varsity Jacket.
Ay, good day!
Si Jangin!
Parang yung backpack ko. Ano yung backpack ko?
Varsity Jangin!
And I sit down at a table.
Post ka sa Facebook! Hello! Ate Tin, happy birthday!
Huwag kang lumapit.
Camera to?
Huwag, naka-prime lens ako. Hindi ko malabo ka.
Nasa loob si Ate Tin. Ate Tin! Bye-bye!
Finally, I'm forced to face